हम पढ़ेंगे पीपीएच पे बेसिक प्राइमरी पीपीएच इज डिफाइंड एज ब्लड लॉस ग्रेटर देन 500 ml within 24 hours of delivery। ठीक है। जो एक्सपीरियंस ग्रेटर देन 1000 ml है अगर तो सीवियर पीपीएच है। सेकेंडरी पीपीएच जो है ना वो 24 आवर to 6 weeks में होगा। First line drug for prevention of BPH outer vaginal delivery is oxytocin 10 international unit IM and fagocypepsy. Oxytocin is a drug or charge for 8 mcl ergometrin. Second line dose of tranexamic acid in PPH is vermintide 1 gram over 10 minutes. Give within 3 hours. Repeat 1 gram is bleeding continuing after 30 minutes. Motivate to return temper and device is bakery balloon, especially Lotus condom, fully low cost alternative, most effective uterine tamponade is a Beckery balloon. Used for uterine anatomy, uterine compression suture to conserve uterus when medical treatment fail. Risk factor for least associated with the uterine anatomy risk factor. Least associated with the uterine anatomy, command for gestation, age, baby risk factors are overdistension, prolonged labor, choreograph, multipara, magnesium sulfate, SGA, the not risk. Carboplatin is contraindicated in bronchial asthma. Carboplatin methyl protocolate can cause bronchoespasm, also avoid inactive cardiac disease, cardiac renal and hepatic. तो कार्बोप्रोस्टेट कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेटेड इन कार्बोप्रोस जो होता है ना ब्रोंकियल अस्थमा में कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेटेड है शोक एंड इज ग्रेटर देन 0.9 pph indicates 30 to 40% blood loss. Shock and is heart rate is way greater than 0.9 significant hypomania is aggressive resuscitation. Shock and is heart rate divided by systolic BP greater than 0.9 significant hypomania need aggressive resuscitation। इसमें जो है ना aggressive resuscitation की जरूरत है। ठीक है। सेकंड लाइन सर्जिकल प्रोसीजर paid medical management is a second line surgical procedure after paid medical deliver it has been medically tamponade compression sutures artery ligation and hysterectomy। ठीक है। secondary PPH occurs between 24 to 6 weeks primary within 24 hours late greater than 6 weeks। most common cause of secondary PPH written product of conception। most common cause of secondary PPH क्या है written product of conception is also considered endometriosis and most common cause of secondary PPH written product of most common cause of secondary PPH क्या है written product most common cause of secondary PPH written product of conception is also considered endometriosis and subinhalation dose of misoprostol for treatment of PPH 800 microgram for prevention 600 or 800 for treatment argometrin should be avoided in preeclampsia। सही है। कार्बोप्रो जो थी वो हम अस्थमा में नहीं देते और अर्गोमेट्रिन प्री एक्लेम्शिया में नहीं देते। एनमेसिव पीपीएच टारगेटेड फिब्रिनोजन लेवल एनमेसिव पीपीएच टारगेट फिब्रिनोजन लेवल शुड बी 2 gram per deciliter RCG K fibrillation RCG K fibrillation greater than 2 gram per liter platelet greater than 75 INR Nmassive pH fibrillation level should be 2 point component of 40 the pH does not include अच्छा उसमें थ्रोम्बस इंक्लूड नहीं होता। ठीक है। फर्स्ट स्टेप इन एक्टिव मैनेजमेंट ऑफ द स्टेप लेवल first step in active management outer stage of labor oxytocin within 1 minute of birth the control protection uterine massage internally cartilagation reduce pulse pressure by 85% pulsatile to non-pulsatile fellow help in hemostasis complication most associated with uterine breaking infection breast initial investigation and secondary BPH pelvic ultrasound to rule out RPOCs dose out oxytocin infusion for PPH 40 international unit 500 normal saline or 125 per ml per 125 per hour 125 40 500 125 per hour 40 500 125 per hour uterine version is most commonly excessive contraction uterine version most commonly associated with excessive contraction also fundal pressure with the placenta artery fundal pressure and excessive contraction। ठीक है। uterine version is most commonly associated with excessive contraction Rotem tag is used in PPH2 to guide blood product and transfusion. Most common site of trauma causing PPH. Most common site of trauma causing PPH cervix. Most common site of trauma causing PPH. Most common site of trauma causing PPH cervix. Most common type of trauma. Most common site of trauma causing PPH cervix. Vacancy. Most common then vaginal uterine injuvence victims patient with PPH. First option is angioins witness angioins witness patient with PPH. Acid utotonic acid use non-blood option first. Use non-blood option first. Tranexamic acid utotonic cause elevated susceptible RFA is a list report. Okay. This factors for placenta greater previous LSCS targeted brain stable patient after PPH greater than as brain stable patient after PPH greater than 8 rate transmission threshold greater than 7 and stable greater than 8 if cardiac disease. 2 methyl contraindication to methyl ergometrin hypertension the procedure referred to non most important predictor mortality in peak recognition and treatment most important predictor for mortality in PPH delay in recognition and treatment okay. Sequence medical mechanical surgical radiological drug oxytocin ergometrin कार्बोप्रोस्ट मिसोप्रोस्टोल अर्गोमेटिन प्रीक्रीम शामिल नहीं देते कार्बोप्रोस्टोल इस्तेमाल में नहीं देते नंबर टू रिमेंबर ट्रांसमिक एसिड 1 ग्राम within 3 hours five region greater than 2 show five region greater than 2 and shock index greater than 0.9 bed transaminase acid 1 gram within 30 or 3 hours transaminase acid 1 gram within transaminase acid 1 gram within 3 hours and fibrinogen greater than shock index 0.9 is the grade ठीक है